Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Ms. Barira, science teacher for class 4 from Gulistan Shah Abdul Latif Primary School. Students, do you know what is healthy eating? And do you know what are the foods which are good for our health? Here are some foods that are good for our health. You can see in the picture. Pattern of eating that supports your best possible physical, mental, and emotional health is called healthy eating. It is the overall way of interacting with and approaching food in our lives. It includes having a positive relationship with food, enjoying your food, and feeling comfortably satisfied after eating without feeling guilt or shame. To practice healthy eating, we need access to affordable, nutritious food, and we need knowledge and skills to gather and prepare it. When we celebrate something and we eat with others, that also comes in part of healthy eating. How can we know that this food is healthy for us or not? Do you know the food that we eat contain all sorts of things that the body needs? Some food also contain things that the body doesn't need. So, we should not only eat the food that tastes best, but we should make sure that we eat the food that is best for us. Our body needs proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins, and oils and fats. So let's see what these things do and which foods we can find them in. Proteins are often called the body's building blocks because our muscles and organs are largely made up of proteins. Proteins are used to build and repair tissues. They help us fight infection. Our body uses extra protein for energy. The protein food group includes seafood, lean meat, and poultry eggs, beans and peas, soy products, and unsalted nuts and seeds. Protein is also found in the dairy group. Protein from plant sources tends to be lower in saturated fat, contains no cholesterol, and provides fiber and other health promoting nutrients. Foods that are rich in protein are red meat, fish, poultry, eggs, beans, and nuts. Oils and fats give us energy and they help the body absorb certain vitamins. Essential fatty acids help the body function, but they are not made by our body. We have to consume them. Many foods naturally contain fats, including dairy products, meats, poultry, seafood, and eggs and seeds, nuts, avocados, and coconuts. Fats are solid at room temperature while oils are liquid at room temperature. The right sort of fats and oils are good for our nervous system, including our brain. They are also good for the skin, protect vital organs, and control our body temperature. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. The fruit, vegetables, dairy, and grain food groups all contain carbohydrates. Sweeteners like sugar, honey, and syrup, and foods with added sugars like candy, soft drinks, and cookies also contain carbohydrates. If you eat sugar, you will get a boost of energy. The thing that we need to do is to try to get most of our carbohydrates from fruits, vegetables, fat-free and low-fat dairy, and whole grains rather than added sugars or refined grains. There are two types of carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are starches and are better for lasting energy. Minerals and vitamins are things that the body needs to stay healthy. Minerals come from ground and from water. They are absorbed by plants and consumed by animals. We get these minerals when we eat the plants or meat. Do you know that minerals and vitamins also help us to fight disease? Calcium, iron, and zinc are examples of minerals that are good for our body. Maintaining good personal hygiene is essential to promote good health. Especially in these pandemic days, we should wear masks. Go to bed at the fixed time each night and get up at the same time each morning, including on the weekends. There's no better policy in a society than pursuing a health and safety of its people. Take care. Fi amanillah.